Hi everyone, my name is Samantha, joining you on behalf of MarineMax here in Westbrook, Connecticut, where the Connecticut River meets Long Island Sound. I hope this video finds everyone doing very well, and today I am thrilled to welcome you aboard a 245 dual console from Sailfish. I just had the nicest chat with our local Sailfish rep, and I can't wait to tell you more about this fabulous boat. So first of all, Sailfish has the most aggressive hull of any privately owned fishing boat, and I'll show you why. You'll notice here that there are 3 different degrees to the hull. We've got a 24 down here, we've got a 23 degree and a 22. So what this allows you to do is you really ride the 24 degree hull. You're cutting right through the chop, you're cutting through the water. Then we have the 23 degree, which allows air to pass underneath, making her quiet and fuel efficient. And then when you come to a stop, you're sitting on that 22 degree. It's gonna hold you steady and make you feel really safe and secure inside this gorgeous boat. Now, another thing about Sailfish is they're known for having really high gunnels. They have a very deep hull, a deep head, and really the purpose of that is to make sure that everyone stays inside the boat safe and sound, no matter what the water conditions are. So back here, we've got a Mercury Verado on the back, and for those of you who may just be learning about Verados, they're great because they utilize air, which make them very fuel efficient and also very quiet. So let's climb aboard and check her out. The swim ladder is just back here underneath this handy little compartment. You just flip this open and you flip this down, and it's made of strong stainless steel so that you can climb aboard. Let's go see what it looks like on deck. Right down here underneath where you keep the swim ladder is the compartment where you're going to add all of your fresh water. Another great thing about Sailfish is they come loaded with a lot of standard features, like a pop-up bow cleat as well as bow lights. You'll see on this boat we've got a really beautiful, comfortable seating area back here, as well as on the port and the starboard side. You have your live well right here, your ski tow pylon for water sports, and right down here is a fish locker. I'll show you how big it is. Self-bailing. Check that out. Being comfortable. The furniture on this boat is also convertible. You'll see right here that you can take the back to that and you can flip it right over there so that you can lounge this way, or you can keep it like that to have seating on both sides. Up here in the helm, you'll see that this comes with a Mercury vessel view and Garmin electronics. You've got all your buttons up here. Your Fusion radio system is right here. And you've also got this great knob on the steering wheel, which makes it really easy to control the boat no matter what the weather conditions. Your trim tabs are just right here, and this chair is so comfortable and it's convertible. Just flip this down for it to be a seat, or leave it like that to use it as a leaning post. This boat also features a really large and spacious head with some storage right along here. It also has a little window so you can get some ventilation if you like. And this pulls out and acts as a shower head. And as you can see, some steps make it really safe and easy for everyone to get in and out, with additional storage here in the door for all of your toiletries. If you walk right through here in this walkway, you'll see up there is a gorgeous and very comfortable bow seating area for you to lounge and visit with your guests. We've also got a compartment right there if you want to put a table up top. And what I love about this boat is that it comes with a door, so it's easy to keep your kids and your pets safe, especially when you're underway. Here is the table right here with some additional storage, and all of your electronic hookups are right back here, so they're really easy to access. If you're interested in learning more about this boat or other Sailfish boats, give us a call at 860-399-5581 or visit us at 627 Boston Post Road here in Westbrook, Connecticut. Once again, from MarineMax Westbrook, my name is Samantha, wishing you and yours very happy and safe boating. We'll see you soon.